Okay guys, we're still working on the review. Now we're going to look at problem number 16. Which angle is a vertical angle to ABE? Remember from our little review, vertical angles, they make the V reflected with itself, so they look like an upside down and right side up V or a sideways V, and we know that they're that's how we can recognize them. So I am going to highlight angle ABE. I want the angle that's vertical with it. So I am going to make its vertical angle pair. I'm going to highlight it there. It's a wide V, but it's still a V. And that looks like the angles that are across from each other is this one right here, which is CBD. Look at my answers. DBE, no, that's not the one I just highlighted. CBD is the right one because it's vertical. Now let's go ahead and rule out the other answer choices just because your teacher will love you if you do. So let's look at that. We're looking at angle ABE and its vertical angle pair. So here's ABE. And let's look at all the other answer choices. Let's compare that to DBE. So DBE, nope, that's not the right one because that looks like a linear pair. Now let's compare it to ABC. ABC, that is also a linear pair with ABE, so that's not right. And then let's finally look at angle EBA. Well, an angle cannot be vertical to itself. So EBA and ABE are the same angle. So that's just ridiculous. Of course, that's not the right answer. The end. Problem number 17, we're using the same figure, but now they give us some information. But now they're giving us a different task. We are told that if the measure of angle CBF is 6x plus 18, let's label that on the picture. It's talking about this little guy right here, that angle. Find x so that CB is perpendicular to BF. This is a very important piece of information because they have said that, hey, treat CB and BF like they are perpendicular. So here's CB, here's BF. We can now say then that this is a right angle because we know that perpendicular lines, when they meet, form right angles. The reason why I know to use the word perpendicular is because that's what the upside down T means. It means perpendicular. So now that's awesome because if they're telling me that this piece is 6x plus 18 and they're also telling me that it's 90, then I have everything I need to set up an equation to find x because 6x plus 18 now equals 90. Solve that equation using my inverse operations. When I divide 72 by 6, I find that x has a value of 12. So here's my right answer choice, which is D. Now we're looking again at problem number 18. We're looking again at the same figure, but for 18, we're focusing our attention on angle A, B, C, and E, B, D. Before I can really do anything, I need to use geometry to figure out what relationship those two angles have. Hopefully you're seeing what I'm seeing, and that's that these are two vertical angles. So now I'm going to take the information and label. Now that I know I have vertical angles going on, I can piece together the information that they gave me, I know that ABC is 4x plus 9, which is this guy, and EBD is 7x minus 9. I have enough information to find x because verticals are equal. 4x plus 9 equals 7x minus 9. Because when you have vertical angles, their measures are equal. Now this is just a regular equation that I'm going to solve to find x. Now, we have found that x equals 6, but we still have not answered the question. Don't be tempted to choose option F, because our instructions were to find the measure of angle ABC, not to find x. So I'm not finished. I have to take x and plug it in right here to find out the actual number of degrees for angle ABC. And that's just a simple plug-in. 4 times 6 plus 9. Use your mighty math powers to find the sum of 24 and 9. Hopefully it's 33. Hopefully you got 33. That's what I got. Making the correct answer G.